Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're going to show you how to remove and replace headlight bulbs on Volkswagen Jetta Golf 6th generation. So that will cover years from 2011, guys, all the way until recent 2016. So what you need to do, guys, you need to open the hood. We will demonstrate on the passenger side of the vehicle, but it's the same for the left driver side. And the outside one is the low beams and this is high beams, and actually high beams are both of them. And in order to replace them, what you need to do, guys, now right here for the high beams, you need to go behind the tail light, okay, and you need to remove that rubber seal right there. And once you do that, let me show you what's inside. Now there is one black thing, that right here, that's actually the light bulb. You need to turn counterclockwise about 30 degrees, I think, like that, and you need to pull it out, okay, and be careful not to break the wires, okay, and the bulb will come out, guys, okay, just like that. So that's the light bulb. Now you have two slots right here that you need to lift up with a finger or a flathead screwdriver to help them a little bit, okay, like that, to click out of it, okay, and then you can pull the bulb out and never touch the new bulb with your fingers, okay. And that's the bulb. We just dropped the metal piece that attaches to the bulb, okay, we just picked it up. So that's the bulb, guys, for high beams. Let me show you what number this one is. That's the original one right here, made in Germany, okay. You can see H7U right there, and you need to keep that piece because it doesn't come with the bulb. And you get a new bulb, okay, and you need to install the piece on it again, okay. It goes only in a certain angle, okay. Right there you need to go that piece right here, and it goes like that, and you need to push it in. It's good now. So what you need to do, you need to get that black clip right here. You need to make sure that those go inside right there, and then you just push it in until it clicks like that. It's done. Don't touch it with your fingers because the oil from your fingers will make it burn fast. Now you need to go here, make sure that the wires are not in the way, and you need to install the bulb. Now you need to find the slots actually, okay. And once you do that, what do you need to do? You need to go now clockwise about 30 degrees to be able to lock it, okay, like that, okay, just like that. And now you need to make sure you pull the wires in, nothing is in the way, and you need to install the rubber seal. The low beam light, guys, right here, it's the same procedure, but you need to turn now this one counterclockwise again. That's just a cap that you need to remove right here, and the bulb is inside. Hard to show you, but it's the same thing. You turn counterclockwise and that's the bulb, and it's the same procedure. You replace it just like you replace the other one, and you need to make sure you go in the slots, turn it clockwise, install it. You need to make sure you put the lid on, and that's the whole procedure, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.